Hello and welcome, Greg here from Motor Match Crewe, once again sharing with you our newest stock. Today it's the turn of this large and very practical Mazda CX-5 SUV, available here in the popular Sport Nav Plus trim. Exterior is also finished in a head-turning grey metallic colour, and this model even benefits from a tow bar which will appeal to some of you. In the front, adaptive matrix headlights can also be found, as well as large 19-inch bright finish alloy wheels. In the rear, there are also full LED taillights, giving your Mazda a distinctive look at night, and for easy access there is a power-operated tailgate with keyless entry and start, revealing a modern cavernous load area with 40-20-40 folding split seats. Inside the cabin you enjoy this lovely looking full leather upholstery, unlocking seating for 3, and rear passengers can even enjoy their very own heated seats. In the front, the decorative door and dash inserts are on offer, along with a BOSE sound system, and in the front that sunroof will really illuminate the cabin lovely with electrically adjustable front seats with memory function. The driver can certainly enjoy this leather-wrapped multifunction steering wheel, operating the part digital cluster up ahead. Loads of safety systems are on offer, including a head-up display functionality for the driver. The Media Commander comes packed full of clever features such as Apple CarPlay and Android Auto connectivity, whilst all your music needs will be covered with DAB digital radio delivered through the lovely BOSE sound system. This function will certainly appeal to many of you that are into your music, and there's loads of adjustability for the speakers. Pairing your phone for Bluetooth is incredibly easy and will allow you to stay in touch with family and friends, and to make sure you never get lost on unfamiliar roads, built-in sat-nav is also available with live traffic updates. A number of vehicle settings are also available. You can, for example, operate the head-up display functionality, change various functions, and there are loads of safety systems on offer such as blind spot warning, lane keep assist, traffic sign recognition camera, and a 360-degree parking camera. As I mentioned earlier, that 360-degree camera is an absolute joy to use, giving you visibility and reassurance all around. Whatever the weather, easy-to-use 2-zone climate control system can be found in front, which comes with even heated and ventilated front seats to suit you whatever the weather. Loads of cargo storage is available throughout the vehicle, and overhead you'll find easy controls for the sunroof and electric sunshade blind with an auto-dimming rearview mirror.